Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Mr. Zaman, and today I'm going to talk about circadian disruption linked with cancer and how. Recent findings highlight that chronic circadian disruption significantly increased lung cancer growth in animal models. By identifying the genes implicated, the researchers are illuminating the mysterious link between our sleeping patterns and disease, which could help inform everything from developing more targeted cancer treatments to better monitoring high-risk groups. To figure this out, the scientists used a mouse model with expressed KRAS, the most commonly mutated gene in lung cancer. Half of the mice were housed in a normal light cycle, meaning 12 hours of light and 12 hours of darkness. The other half were housed in a light cycle meant to resemble that of shift workers, where the light hours were moved earlier by 8 hours every 2 or 3 days. The findings aligned with what the researchers initially thought. Mice that were exposed to the irregular shifting light patterns had an increased tumor burden of 68%. But when they used RNA sequencing to determine the different genes involved in the cancer growth, they were surprised that a collection in the heart shock factor 1, that is HSF1, family of proteins was the main culprit. HSF1 genes are responsible for making sure proteins are still made correctly even when a cell is under extreme stress, in this case when it experiences changes in temperature. The team suspects that HSF1 activity is increased in response to circadian disruption because changes in our sleep cycle disturb the daily rhythms of our body's temperature. With these discoveries in hand, the scientists are now evaluating if HSF1 signaling is required to increase tumor burden and isn't solely just a correlation. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.